Hey guys, did you come to watch some movies? Probably looking for a fight? I will need to disappoint you. There will be no fight. Video is made on a small budget by scrambles of my salary. Director as always is complaining that special effects are expensive, costumes are expensive, and etc. So because of that, I must entertain you myself with my own small salary. How to make it less expensive? I got it. Let's turn on the music and dance to our favorite hits. So now, stand up mates, listen to your daddy and raise your butts from your chairs. There will not be extra whiskey for you if you are not going to participate fully. Great, I think you guys got it. Don't get too excited. Did you really thought that that's okay to dance in cinemas? Not yet, but that's definitely the future. For those who are in the mood for dancing, let's all meet tonight in our after party at the agreed place and time. Love you all and can't wait to see you.